This is also here at the Mayor's Night Out, Okolona Fire Department, the Louisville Emergency Medical Services, and then there's a bus in case anything may go wrong. And if you're into flashing lights, this is the place to be. And there's our Louisville Jefferson County Emergency Management Agency. And I love this one. One of the more beautiful pieces of equipment, fire equipment I've ever seen in my life. Up close anyway. Looks like it holds 5 firefighters. No flashing lights on it though, but it's beautiful enough. You want a close-up look. Hi, thank you for protecting us. We appreciate it. For your service.
2629.
And then there's the rest of the Fern Creek Fire Department. Big giant wheels. I always wondered how big the wheels were on these things. Looks like they're 22.5-inch tires. And this is part of the Emergency Management Agency, which comprises all 4 of our Louisville agencies. Louisville Jefferson County Fire Department, EMS, and Louisville Fire Department, and the Louisville Police, and their responses are all coordinated at a central location downtown should any emergency management happen.
If I do not see you walking on the next one, I'm going to call another number, 629-415.
I'm just doing a walk by and enjoying
629-388.
scenery.
629-388. I'm going to call the ticket number 3 times. If I do not see you walking this way, I'm going to call the next ticket number, 629-388.
And there's a great American flag.
629-300. 629-300. Once again, red tickets, if you hear that number, you got 3 chances. I'm going to call it 3 times. If you do not start heading this way, let us know who you want. We'll go with the next number.
I would say that's about 60 feet up, maybe about 5 stories.
629-316.
And the battalion chief, he drives this beautiful vehicle for Okolona Fire Department. And here are some of the giveaways they have at the tent. I'm just going to take some of the free items they have available from Okolona Fire Department.
Looky there.
I want to be a firefighter.
What do you
All
say?
right.
What do you say?
You're welcome.
By the way, thank you for protecting us. We appreciate your service and everything.
Come over and I'll hop on the
Then again, I'm just trying to show you some of the pieces of equipment that the fire department brought out to us today. And I hope you enjoyed it. And there's some more flashing lights. You like that? And then here's the fire department's American flag from up high. up on the sidewalk. America the Beautiful. Great Stars and Stripes. And then in the background, you'll be able to see our Jefferson Mall. I'll try to get it up close for you.
629-361. 629-361.
And we're going to go left to right. Some of the stores are Dillard's, Ross, JCPenney, H&M, Rue 21, just to name a few. And across the street from that is our beautiful Walmart, which I so desperately love because I do online Walmart shopping with all the gift cards and credit cards that I have. But it's going to be hard to see, but I'll still take a background for you. And again, I hope you enjoyed the show. It was as much of my pleasure bringing you all these beautiful vehicles, fire equipment, hook and ladders, rescue, EMS, for all the different agencies here in the Louisville area. And I hope that your fire department and agency is as good as our fire department.
Okay, I see.
And again, it's been beautiful and wonderful giving you the opportunity to show you some of the equipment right up close.
629-384. Once again, last and final call. 629.
Most people can't see this up close. Put on my little podcast.
629-419. 629-419.
Oh, I didn't get this one. This was beautiful. I missed one, it looks like. Sorry. I missed one, it looks like.
629-419. 629-422. 629-422.
And this is a looks like a six-wheeler tactical vehicle that they've made into a stretcher unit for
629-288.
ambulatory people, victims. And this is our hazmat ad. And it's about time to sign off. I think what I'll do is take a ride on one of the vehicles. Think they'll mind if I climb up? Okay, I climbed up. That's as much as I want to do for now, okay? Thank you and goodbye.